Post-construction termite treatment must be coordinated during remodels because renovations often disturb soil barriers and create new, concealed entry points for termites. When a remodel disrupts existing barriers, we should first identify all disturbed soils and any exposed framing or voids that could allow termite entry, then prioritize treatment of those areas immediately. Treat disturbed soils by applying a registered termiticide to a continuous treated zone between the structure and surrounding soil, following label rates and ensuring proper trenching depth to reach the footing line. For exposed framing, treat all accessible wood surfaces with a labeled wood preservative or apply a borate product by brush or pressure where appropriate and allow adequate drying time before enclosure. Pre-treat any new footings by treating the soil in the footing trenches before concrete placement and document the method and products used so future inspectors and contractors can see what was done. Maintain clear, dated records of every treatment event including product name, dilution, application rate, treated area, and installer name so there is continuity as the remodel progresses and for warranty or future inspection needs. Finally, schedule a final inspection and spot treatments before any treated area is permanently covered so the inspector can verify continuous treatment and you can address any missed spots. Common issues include missed treatment zones when only visible edges are treated, which leaves concealed entry points. The fix is to map the remodel area, trench and treat continuously around the entire perimeter of disturbed soil and behind new construction elements. A second common mistake is treating only wood and not the soil. So termites bypass treated timbers by tunneling through untreated ground. Always include a soil barrier treatment and pre-treat new footings so the ground root is interrupted. Third is poor documentation and timing, where treatments are done but not recorded or a final inspection is skipped. We should keep detailed treatment logs on site, share them with all contractors, and schedule the final inspection before coverings are installed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for remodeling and pest coordination and gives contractors a place to find work related to post-construction termite treatment. We also run a discussion community where we share best practices, treatment experiences, and scheduling tips so teams can coordinate effectively during remodels.